Hey, it's Noe with WTI, and we all know life can be a mess sometimes. But with these storage bins from Zao Trading, it makes it a little easier to clean it up and to stay organized. These bins will help a mess go from this to this. These 13-gallon storage bins can hold a ton. I was looking for a way to create additional pantry space, and this did the trick. I love that these storage bins are stackable, so you can get to any bin with ease, and you can move any bin around as needed. These storage bins are durable, and I love that you can see through them. So they are transparent just a bit, enough so that you can see what's in the bin without actually opening it. The doors on these bins are adorable and is one of my favorite things. These doors open with ease and do close and also lock into place. This could make a great set for anybody in a dorm room or a studio apartment, or anyone who is looking for additional space. They can create theirs with these bins. And I love that they're closed off all the way around so dust cannot collect. So if you're looking for a great way to stay organized or create your own space, then I would highly recommend these storage bins from Zao Trading. And that's my point of view.